Hey guys, welcome back to another Long Island Eats review. That's where I go out and stay local and try some of the local food exclusively for you. And today, I am at Bellagio Pizza in East Farmingdale, right at the Republic Airport. And I am excited to try one of their grandma slices and one of their slices of white pizza. Up next, stay tuned. Alrighty, and here it is, guys, in all of its fine glory. Bellagio Pizza in Farmingdale, right at Republic Airport, and I got a slice of white. That looks pretty freaking white here, guys, and I got a grandma slice. And both of these slices cost me $9.35. All right, I'm going to give these a shot and tell you exactly what I think. First bite, wish me luck. Wow, guys. First impression. The tomatoes taste absolutely fresh. There is that characteristic crackle that I get when I bite into this pizza. It is really, really good. Oh yeah. The tomato sauce is a little bit on the sour side, and I'm not really a fan of sour. I like it on a little bit of the sweet side, like fresh side. The crust itself is a freaking standout here, guys. It's decent. On a scale of 1 to 10, it definitely has some sour overtones to it. I'm giving this a solid 8. I do think that the crust is the standout here. Let me just go in and try my white. Check it out. Oh. It's okay. It's not really bowling me over, you know, it's not like super fantastic. It really, it tastes like it's been sort of like chilling out a while, sitting on the counter a while. It's all right. Now, I am tasting a lot of Parmesan cheese. I'm not really tasting much of the mozzarella or the ricotta. I'm just not that crazy about it, guys. I don't know. It looks a lot better than what it is. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I have had better. The white, I definitely would not get this again, and quite honestly, I would give you, to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, it is definitely a 7. You know, it's passable, but that's about it. The grandma, you know, it's a slice of pizza. It is sour, though. The sauce is sour. But I think the crust is absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, there you have it. That's it. A little bit disappointed. I would think, like, with a name like Bellagio, I'd be like freaking blown away all the way to Las Vegas. What are you gonna do? Hand hit it every time, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, I think we're gonna wrap this up here, guys. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. Well, yeah, that's it. All right, guys. From the mobile studio at Airport Plaza, right near the Republic Airport, that's it. Take care. God bless. So long.